Where did she go? Where's Taryn? Where did she go? I see you. I see you, sweet girl. What you doing? Oh, what did you find? Wanna come in here? Come on. Come on. Come on. Taryn, where'd you go? Whoops. Taryn. There she is. There she is. Come on. Taryn. What are you doing? There you go. Come on. In here. Come on. Good girl. Hey. What you doing, huh? Hey, sweet girl. Are you doing your face again? Hey, you made it. Good job. Good job. Okay, say ciao. Taryn. Taryn, say ciao. Ciao, Bella. Ciao. 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 Good job. Ciao. That's what we're trying to teach her. To wave and say ciao at the same time.